Okay, so this is an exciting equation. You see that you have e to the 2x and then e to the x and then a 56, right? Well, this is in the form of a quadratic equation. Now, you may remember working with these before, and we can use what's called a U substitution. You may have happy memories of that, or you might not. I'm going to show you with the U substitution. The book doesn't. They do the same thing, but they just don't show you that. But I think it'll be easier for me to explain it if you see it. So what we're going to say is, first of all, why is it in the form of a quadratic equation? Because you have e to the x squared. So that's maybe the part that's tricky to think about, that 2x means x, e to the x to the second power, because you multiply power to a power, minus e to the x. Now I'm going to subtract the 56 over, and I get that equation. So you can see, oh, it kind of looks like a quadratic equation. So what we're going to do, and why is that? Because this e to the x is the same as this right there. All right, so what we're going to do is let u equal e to the x. Now hold on to that because we're going to need it. Then we can write this as u squared minus u minus 56 equals 0. That says, oh, that's a quadratic equation. I can factor that. So you get u minus 8 and u plus 7. All right, so u could be 8 or negative 7. All right, now we have to go back to the substitution because we're not trying to find out what u is. Well, we are. We found u, but now we need to find x. So if u is 8, then I would get 8 equals e to the x. Now, you could just write that as a natural log. Think about natural log of e equals x. You use the converting it from exponential notation to logarithmic notation, but it's a base e. All right? That's fine. That's wonderful. Put a box around that. All right, now we have to consider the other possibility. Negative 7 equals e to the x. Well, then I would get the natural log of negative 7 equals x. That's a problem. We can't have that negative 7 in there when taking the natural log of it. And so this would be an extraneous solution. We're not going to count it as a solution. We only get the one solution right here. And the solution is the natural log of 8, which is a number. You can put it in your calculator, get a decimal for it. But the exact answer is natural log of 8. Okay? That's going to be the solution.